So at Eagle Talon, what we do is we focus on leadership, meaning we're focused on the CEOs and the rest of the team that runs the companies. So if you think about a company, it has all sorts of assets, but decisions have to be made as to how those assets are used. And it all comes down to how those people manage, how those people lead, and the decisions they make. And so we do deep work on the CEO, the management team, and the board to figure out how they are as leaders, how they manage the company in order to create or destroy shareholder value. We do this in a very differentiated way. We have a team of analysts who obviously look at the company to understand what the company needs at this stage in its life cycle. And then we have a team of, on the second layer, investigative journalists. They're typically ex-Wall Street Journal, and they do interviews with people who have worked with the CEO, typically from college until current. So it gives us a 360-degree view, time-weighted, so we can understand how these people have evolved as leaders and as managers. And there is a difference between the two. And the ultimate outcome of this is to really come to a conclusion as to whether they are the right match, they have the right expertise, what their track record is, and whether, again, they can turn around this company. The third layer is another check on management, and we have a team of former intelligence officers and former law enforcement officers, and they do a deep background check. And this is really deep. It's not just career and education. It's going into, is there evidence of a criminal record? It's looking at civil litigation because that indicates what type of personality this person actually has. We're looking at the cars they drive. We're looking at the homes they own, the personal leverage they employ, again, because we think that the way they manage their personal lives will bleed into the way that they manage their businesses. And so we combine all of this data to come up with our conclusion as to whether they'll create or destroy shareholder value. And then we're going long the value creators and we're going short the value destroyers. And what we do is very simple. We basically understand the leadership of the company and how they're making their decisions, and then we analyze the company and we're finding the right match. So it's complex and to execute, but it's very simple to understand how we do it.